This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the News widget in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable the News widget's down to your lower left-hand corner. If you put your mouse cursor over this little widget here, it opens up all kinds of news and stuff. To enable that or disable that, you want to do that in Settings. I'm going to go over to the Start menu icon. I'm going to right-click on the Start menu. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings. I'm going to click on Settings. And in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Personalization. And then on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Taskbar and click on Taskbar. And toward the very top, you'll see an area here called Widgets. If you look off to the right of that, you could see My Widgets is on. If you want to turn that off, you just toggle it off. Now my little news widget has disappeared down here. And to re-enable it, you just toggle this on. That is how to enable or disable the News widget in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.